Hi you all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is the most requested video, that is what is my hair care routine. So let's jump into the video. So first I will quickly update you about my hair. What was my hair before, what is my hair now. In back 2018 in October I colored my hair. Then in July 2019 I keratin my hair, and then I chopped my hair in December 2019. So after chopping my hairs in December 2019, my hair became very good. It was more silkier than before. Before I used to have some waves, but now I don't have any waves. Really straight and it's all natural. Secret to my hairs is this, the baby right here. Yes, this is so rule number one for good hair care is oiling. Oiling is really important for your hair. With this I mix two oils. One is castor oil, one is olive oil. I boil them with some methi seeds, like 1 tablespoon methi seeds. I boil them till the methi seeds become black. You can also make in a quantity and you can keep it really good for 1 month. So when I apply this mixture, I make sure that I massage my scalp really well for 1 to 2 minutes like this. I give a good chumpy to my scalp. After doing a chumpy, I convert my hair into a braid that will promote your hair growth, and then I keep it for like overnight. On the next day, I wash my hair in the morning or in the afternoon as I get time. So make sure when you wash your hair, you don't use hard water to wash your hair. Make sure the water is soft. So if you really want to promote hair growth, I would suggest you one thing: apply onion juice 30 minutes before you're washing your hair. That will really promote your hair growth. So rule number 2, don't apply a lot of oil. It can cause dry hair. So while shampooing, you will think that I should wash 3 to 4 times to remove the whole oil. So it's really wrong. That can cause dry hairs. Rule number 3, choosing shampoo which is made for your hair type. Last 1 year I've switched to sulfate free shampoo, so it has really changed my hair condition. So currently I'm using this shampoo from Herbal Essence. And talking about this shampoo will make sure that your hairs are soft and silky after you use it. It says that it will protect your hair color, as I have colored my hair recently. And rule number 3, always condition your hair. Make sure you condition your hair after shampoo. After towel drying your hair, make sure you are using some good serum. So recently I'm using this serum from BBlunt. So I have the problem of frizz hair, so this makes sure that I doesn't have any frizz. It protects you from heat and it's made for damaged hair. So my hairs are little damaged because I have recently colored my hair like 1 month ago. So I'm using this serum from a really good time, like I have completed 6 months with this oil. After applying serum, I make sure that I apply raw argan oil. That is really good for your hair. So it's like drying oil, it's not sticky. Number 4, do not often use heat on your hair. Please do not do that. So if you're using any kind of heat tools on your hair, make sure you use heat protection before you use it. There's also one thing, please do not comb your hair while they are wet. That can cause hair fall. Use a pedal comb like this for brushing your hairs after you washed your hair. So when your hairs are dry, make sure you comb from downwards and go upwards. Then massage on your scalp too. That will activate your hair growth cells. And let's move on to the treatments I do every month or every week. So every week I use this hair mask from Marc Anthony. I apply it after I shampoo my hair. It really deep conditions your hair. The results are so damn good. I can promise you, you will not regret it buying. I use it good for 4 to 5 times, but it really depends upon your length. And second treatment I do once a month, that is egg and honey. I know it sounds shit. Trust me, the results are mind-blowing. 1, the egg will make sure that there are no split ends, and second thing, your scalp will be clean, and third thing, it will deep condition your hair. Just you have to take 1 egg and 1 tablespoon honey and apply it in your whole hairs including scalp. So coming to an end, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.